Digital currencies are much of the time seen as an unsafe speculation, yet there are numerous open doors for benefits to be made. One such digital currency is Balancer, which has shown extraordinary likely lately. Here we will investigate Balancer's cost forecast and what could make its worth increment. Balancer cryptographic money is a computerized resource that utilizes a special calculation to keep up with its worth. Balancer pools can be made by anybody and are overseen by a decentralized organization of hubs. Balancer expects to give a more proficient and fair method for overseeing digital money portfolios. Balancer, BAL, uniqueness. Balancer is extraordinary as it permits clients to consequently rebalance their portfolios. This implies that when the worth of one resource in a pool builds, the Balancer convention will consequently sell that resource and purchase different resources in the pool to keep up with the ideal equilibrium. This assists with limiting gamble and augment returns. Balancer likewise charges a little expense for every exchange, which assists with taking care of the expenses of running the organization. Balancer is an open-source project and is accessible to any individual who wishes to utilize it. The Balancer convention is still being developed and isn't yet prepared for mainnet send-off. Nonetheless, the group needs to send off on mainnet in not-so-distant future. Balancer is a promising venture that can possibly upset the manner in which we deal with our cryptographic money portfolios. The group is capable and has serious areas of strength for a. Balancer is certainly one to watch before long. Balancer, BAL, computerized list asset. Balancer is a computerized list reserve that permits you to put resources into a crate of digital currencies in a solitary exchange. This makes it simple to expand your speculation and cut off your openness to any one resource. Balancer is a decentralized trade, and that implies that it isn't dependent upon similar guidelines as customary trades. This makes it an alluring choice for financial backers searching for elective ways of exchanging digital currencies. Balancer has a moderately low exchanging volume, so it is essential to think about this while going with your venture choice. In any case, Balancer is an extraordinary stage that offers a helpful method for putting resources into various digital currencies. Balancer is a special digital currency that offers mechanized record reserve pools. These pools permit financial backers to keep up with arrangement of up to 8 different ERC-20 tokens. The Balancer's typical market creator calculation naturally rebalances resources inside pools on various occasions each day because of each and every exchange. This makes it an ideal speculation for the individuals who need to latently develop their portfolio without having to continually screen and rebalance it themselves. Balancer likewise offers a one-of-a-kind cost disclosure instrument. At the point when an exchange is made, the Balancer Brilliant Agreement initially computes the fair worth of the resources being exchanged in view of their organic market. It then decides the ideal exchange that would adjusting those resources back to their fair worth. This guarantees that all exchanges on Balancer are fair and straightforward, and that financial backers generally know the genuine worth of their possessions. Balancer is a decentralized trade convention based on Ethereum that empowers clients to exchange any ERC-20 token. Balancer uses an original portfolio-the-board strategy called liquidity-based resource distribution to rebalance client portfolios and limit slippage. Balancer's liquidity-based resource distribution is made conceivable by its utilization of Balancer Pool Tokens, BPTs, which are ERC-20 tokens that address a client's portion of a pool. Balancer's liquidity-based resource distribution is a significant benefit over customary portfolio rebalancing procedures, which regularly include trading resources to keep an ideal resource designation. With Balancer, clients can just add or eliminate tokens from their portfolio, and the Balancer convention will naturally rebalance the portfolio and limit slippage. This makes Balancer an alluring choice for clients who need to exchange countless resources with negligible exertion. Balancer's utilization of Balancer Pool tokens likewise has various benefits. To start with, BPTs give a way to clients to follow their portfolio execution. Second, BPTs can be utilized to boost pool makers to deal with their pools such that helps all clients. Furthermore, third, BPTs give clients a method for partaking in the benefits created by effective Balancer pools. Balancer, BAL, Current cost. Balancer is right now worth $7.11. BAL has moved 4.51% as of now with an exchanging volume of $10,568,506. Balancer is right now positioned 106th among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $311,688,536. Balancer, BAL, Value Forecast 2022. Balancer, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. BAL. The BAL cost gauge for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $10.67. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be slow, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $9.96 in cost is very aggressive, however it is possible sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headways. BAL is supposed to have a base worth of $8.53. Balancer, BAL, Value Expectation 2023. In 2023, Balancer BAL cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of BAL will before long outperform $17.78. Nonetheless, we ought to hold on to check whether the BAL's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, BAL will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $14.22 and a typical exchanging cost of $15.65. Balancer, BAL, Value Forecast 2024. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $24.89 and BAL might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. BAL is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $22.76 and a low of $21.34 in 2024. Balancer, BAL, Value Expectation 2025. Assuming that Balancer effectively helps market opinion among digital money aficionados, the BAL coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, BAL will be green in 2025. The BAL is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $32. With a base cost of $28.45 and a typical cost of $29.87. Balancer, BAL, Value Forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized